Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 8th at KIT Iizuka. Third period, English 5. Let's get on with the English explanation, and then we can go on to do something that I think is always fun to do. That's called workarounds. And I'll explain that to you as we go on. But first, let's take a look at what I want to do this week. Last week, just make sure that you did the reading quiz. If you haven't done it yet, still have, I think, a little bit of time. Yeah, November 14th. This is due on November 14th. So if you haven't done it yet, how many people? Oh, 17 attempts already. So probably at least 5 people, 6 people have tried. But November 14th is the deadline. Please make sure you get that done. And this week, class number 6. Let's see. I want to, as it says right there, do workarounds. Oops. Workarounds this week. And I want to remind you that your TOEIC IP test for this September is scheduled for, this is making every mistake here, scheduled for December 2nd. Okay. Now, I don't have the information for the TOEIC test yet. When I have it, I will pass it on to you, but at least I can tell you the date. It will be Saturday, December 2nd. Please make sure that you have the time for that. Now, generally, the TOEIC information, as it comes out every year, basically looks like this. Now, this is the information that we had from last year it was December 11th for the first year students. And basically the schedule goes like that. Now, this is not the information for this year, it's the information for last year. But if you want to take a look at what was happening last year, this is in class number 7 under the TOEIC information for, where was it here? Yeah, TOEIC IP info 22/12/11. But when I get the best information for you for the 2nd of December, I'll get it on to you. Okay, now, this week, what I want to do is after we do this English explanation, I want you to choose your partner for the test, okay? Now, it'll be like the final test that we had last semester. Okay? It'll be a group conversation, but every person has one partner. So every pair then goes into a group that I make. You don't know who will be in your group until you come to test day, but at least you know who your partner is so you can work with each other. That's what I want to do today. After that, your normal homework that you have to do, these are the answers from last week, and then you have your homework for this week. And you have a video that I want you to watch, and then as you watch this, I want you to answer the questions that are in the assignment below, and this will be due tonight at 11 p.m. Okay, so nothing too special. Otherwise, what will be a little bit different for you is actually these workarounds. So, these workarounds. So let's get on to that as soon as we can. But first, I want you to get ready to choose your partners. Otherwise, if you have any questions about anything, if you want me to explain a little bit more, I'll be happy to do